Okay, so here is the best way on how you can fix spatial wallpaper not working on iOS 26. So make sure you watch the tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So there are a few methods that you could do to fix spatial wallpaper not working. So first one being turning off your low power mode. If you're in low power mode, just simply turn that off because spatial wallpapers don't work on low power mode. And after that, what you can do is just simply head over to settings, and once you're inside settings, what you can do is check your compatibility and your software version. So how this works is just basically check if you're on iOS 26. If you aren't on iOS 26, you cannot simply do spatial wallpaper because it's its own feature. And yeah, just make sure that you have it. And once you're there, what you need to do is just go to wallpaper and select the wallpaper that you'd like to choose. Just simply press add a wallpaper. And once you press on it, you'll see the option of spatial right next to these three dots. Once you press on it, it will do the spatial thing and you will be able to use it like that. So yeah, it's that. And after that, you gotta make sure that if it's still not working, what you can do is just simply head over to your phone's infotainment, and over here you'll see the option of power. You just gotta press on it and make sure you reset your phone. And when you just gotta restart your phone, and just gotta hold it, and this is done. Now what you can do is just go to accessibility, and inside accessibility you just gotta go to motion, and over here you gotta make sure that reduce motion is turned off because it doesn't work with reduced motion. And yeah, just simply check for this and make sure that your reduced motion is turned on. And then the last one is simply being using a high quality photo for spatial wallpaper. So yeah, these are the fixes that you could try, and yeah, just do them and let me know if they work.